ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ವಿತ್ ಶೇಖರ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ SSLC ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ 3 2026 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಆರ್ ದೇ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ಅರೆಂಟ್ ದೇ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಡೂ ದೇ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ದೇ. ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ is are. The answer is aren't they, because the statement is positive. That's why we want negative question tag. So the answer is option B, aren't they. Question number 2. Read the following and choose the infinitive. Americans are good people and that is why Don Ansloma has agreed to sell the land. Option A, or option B is, option C, agreed, option D, to sell. Option D is correct, to sell. 2 plus infinitive. Question number 3. Read the given conversation and choose the longest function for the underlined sentence. Traffic police. Take the girl to Airoli. There is a hospital there. Baleshwar. No, there is a closer place I know of. Here the underlined sentence is take the girl to Airoli. There is a hospital there. Option A, asking direction. Option B, giving direction. Option C, giving suggestion. Option D, making request. Here option C is correct, giving suggestion. Here the cop gives suggestion to Baleshwar. Question number 4. Read the following conversation and fill in the blank choosing the most appropriate words. Vasant. Did you attend the cassette examination? Vishal. No, I didn't attend. If I had attended, I dash scored well. Option A, would have. Option B, should have. Option C, will have. Option D, shall have. Option A is correct, would have. Come to second main, do as directed. Fifth one, which one of the following words has one syllable? Ugly, mutiny, deck, hated. Deck is correct answer because deck has only one syllable. Ugly has 2 syllables. Mutiny has 3 syllables. Hated has 2 syllables. That's why deck is the correct answer. Question number 6. Combine the following sentences using so that. The milk is very hot. The child cannot drink it. Answer is the milk is so hot that the child cannot drink it. Question number 7. Fill in the blanks using the correct article. Ravi is dash MBA student. Ravi is an MBA student. Here the abbreviation letter M begins with the vowel sound. That's why we have to use the article an. That is an MBA. Question number 8. Identify the parts of speech of the underlined word. It is a costly ornament. Here ornament is noun, that's why costly is an adjective. Question number 9. Fill in the blank using appropriate linker. Both CV Raman dash Vikram Sarabhai are great scientists. Here both CV Raman and Vikram Sarabhai are great scientists. So the correct linker is and. Question number 10. Fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. There had been an accident when Satish went for hiking dash his father and brother Inder. Answer is with. Question number 11. Fill in the blank with appropriate tense form of the verb given in the bracket. When I dash went to the hospital, the doctor dash in bracket B plus treat bracket close an old woman. Answer is was treating. That is past continuous tense. Question number 12. Write the correct form of the word given in the brackets. The children should be given good dash in bracket educate. Answer is education. Question number 13. Use the word present as verb in your own sentence. Students can make their own sentence by using the word present as verb. For example, I was present in the meeting yesterday. Or else they can make the sentence like this. I presented a gift to my friend yesterday. Come to question number 14. Change the following sentence into positive degree. Munshi Premchand is more popular than any other writer in Hindi literature. The given sentence is in comparative degree. We have to make it positive degree. The answer is no other writer is as popular as Munshi Premchand in Hindi literature. Come to question number 15. Change the following sentence into passive voice. The president distributed the awards. Answer is the awards were distributed by the president. Come to question number 16. Read the following conversation and change the underlined sentence into reported speech. Prakash. Hi Jyoti, are you going to school today? Jyoti. ಹಾಯ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್, ಎಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಟುಡೇ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ modals. Here the helping verb is are. That's why we have to use if or whether. So the answer is Prakash asked Jyoti if she was going to the school that day. Today becomes that day. Are you going to school is in present continuous tense. We have to change it into past continuous tense. So the answer is if or whether she was going to school that day. Come to third main, that is question number 17. The following sentence has two errors. Edit the sentence and rewrite it in the answer book. It is this boy, now popular, known as Satish Gujral. Clue A, adverbial mistake to be corrected. Clue B, capital letter to be used. Here, it is this boy, now popularly known as. It must be popularly. We want adverb. That's why popularly is the correct answer. Here, Gujral, G has begun with small letter. We have to make it into big letter. Dear friends, I hope you got the key answers for all the grammar questions. Thank you for watching.